In this video, I am going to show you how simple text design can make thousands of dollars per month for your print-on-demand store. I will also be showing you how much these t-shirts are making per month currently, and how much in total these t-shirts have been sold till now. You can see, this is a very simple text design. You can analyze why this t-shirt design is a success. I will leave this analysis upon you. Let me show you how much this t-shirt sells currently every month. This is the best seller rank of this t-shirt in this category on Amazon. This is Jungle Scout. It's free to use for beginners. It allows you to get the number of sales a product is getting on Amazon per month. We need to put the best seller rank here. We will take USA as our marketplace and select the category this t-shirt was sold under. Now, this is the number of sales this t-shirt makes per month. If we multiply this with the price of the t-shirt, we will get the total revenue it makes per month. Now, the next question is how much it has sold till today in total. To get that, I use the 5% formula. I have researched it quite, and got that only 5 to 10% of buyers leave a review, which means the product is sold at least 10 times more than the reviews. This is really a very conservative estimate. As you can see in screenshot, people with more than 500 sales received less than 25 reviews. So, multiplying the total number of reviews with 10 will give us a very conservative estimate of the total number of sales this t-shirt has made till now. And again multiplying it with the price of product will give estimate of the total revenue it has made till today. Remember, this is a conservative estimate. This number can be 2 to 5 times more. You can see how a very simple design can bring you a high number of sales. You don't need to be a high-skilled designer to start with print on demand. All you need is a unique t-shirt design idea and marketing skills. Please let me know in comment box if you want me to cover any other niche. And give this video a like, and subscribe the channel for more print on demand related videos.